thing was freezing. Bring my car.
We're using internet, the hub Wi-Fi.
Um, Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. If you're live, I need you to indicate. Good morning and Happy New Year to us. If you're live, can you please chat me on? Let me know those who are. Okay, Monachi, morning and Happy New Year to you. So we're waiting for others to come online. Okay, Mercy, good morning. Victor, good morning. Happy New Year. Good to see you guys in 2024. Good morning. Yes, good morning. We're waiting for the entire community to come online. Good morning. Chibuzo, good morning. Happy New Year. I can see Munachi, I can see Mercy, I can see Victor, I can see Chibuzo, and the others to join us. Okay, I hope you guys had a good Christmas holiday. You can chat me on and tell me how your Christmas was. Thank you, Chibuzo. Thank you so much. I appreciate. I take that as a compliment. I hope you had a good Christmas holiday. Did you travel or were you at Owerri or were you outside the country? I would like to know. It's so many of us are still struggling to join the discussion, and maybe I don't have to wait for everybody since it's being recorded. Later, we can share the link and they will hear what I said. This meeting is a very important one, especially for those of us that have issues with our laptops and the prospects for cohort 3. There are some information regarding to the cohort 3. Those with laptop issues, I hope a lot of them got this information. They ought to be here because we have a breakthrough for them and we need to get that sorted out so that we clear all our standing while we load cohort 3. Okay. All right, Chibuzo, thank you. I'm happy you had a great Christmas and I'm happy you're back. We wish each and every one of us a very prosperous new year and that will come with so much breakthroughs, so much good things, so much favors and grace. Okay. I would have wished we had more people because from the records I have, about over 600 and something people still have pending issues with their laptop. And that's why we called for this meeting, so that we can brief you on what we've been able to achieve with the suppliers. Okay. So while we wait for others, let me go ahead to give us some of the key information. First is about the laptop that were distributed to deserving graduates in cohort 2. We recall that most of you that got the HP laptop had issues with them, mostly battery issues. The batteries were dead, the laptops were not powering on, and a lot of you were very much frustrated. We asked that people should come and register their complaints regarding that. And from our records, about over 600 and something people uh, registered their complaints. And based on that record, we started engaging the supplier, which is HP, through Zynox, to advance these complaints to them and request that some remedial actions be taken immediately. It took a bit of time. We are local companies; these are foreign companies, but we keep exchanging letters and emails with them for the past how many months. Eventually, last week, they got back to us. They are now ready to come to Imo State and handle all the complaints. And based on that, we've been fleshing out what the modalities and the protocol for those remedial work should be. And as at yesterday, we have arrived on something that is workable for both parties. So first is that if you have received the HP laptop that has either battery problem or a screen problem, please, we would like you to come with those laptops on Tuesday morning. We wanted you to submit them here and label them. If you want, you can do that, but there is no stories about story, something else happening to your laptop. Uh, I prefer that Tuesday morning, please come with that laptop, because the HP people will be here on ground. They'll be landing into Owerri on Monday. So we've agreed with them that on Tuesday morning, you come with your laptop, your faulty laptop, line up, and they will be fixing them one after the other. So their engineers and their technicians will be here in the ministry's office on Tuesday morning to attend to all the issues regarding the faulty laptops given to you. Our goal is to make sure that any digital tool that we have used to empower you after your training is functional and could support you to apply your apply your skills and use it to create wealth for yourselves and your families. So it's not our intention to have any of our graduates go home or carry around a faulty laptop that is not fulfilling the purpose and the objective of the Skill Up Imo program. So please, we apologize for this long delay, but we assure you that at this point we have gotten it right. The HP technicians and engineers, like I said, will be here on Tuesday next week to fix all the faulty laptops given to you. And all the frustrations we've had before now, please, we apologize for that. But one good thing is that at the end of the day, there is now light at the end of the tunnel. So please, let's take this advantage especially those who are not in this meeting, try and reach out to them. We'll have made that public in our Facebook page, and we'll also provide more information regarding that, especially for those who didn't participate. So please, let's be here on Tuesday. Our staff will be on ground to also guide you. The technicians will be from HP office will be here, and also the engineers from Zynox, they will all be here, and they will attend to all these problems once and for all. So the repair work will start on advantage. In that 3 days, they will be here. Come with that laptop and let's get them fixed. If it's battery, they will change it. If it's screen, they will change it. If there is any other thing they need to do, they will also do that. And if you have the carton, the package for the laptop, also put your laptop in that carton. Don't come with it without the carton, please. I hope you have not misplaced yours. If you have, try and locate it. Put that faulty laptop in that same carton and come with it that day. Um, so again, is to talk about for those, I don't know whether those in cohort 3 are here. I'm sure they are supposed to be here. But if they're not here, and when they play this, let them get the information. Because I know a lot of people have been asking, when is cohort 3 starting? Okay, yes, we are here. I'm happy you are here. That's good. Okay. I know you are expectant. I know you have been waiting. I know you want to jump into your classrooms and start receiving your lectures and also be part of the digital community in Imo State. I'm as expectant as you are, and I can't wait to have each and every one of you seated in your class, receiving your lectures and getting skilled up, acquiring new digital skills, and becoming a digital youth in Imo State. So I am as expectant as you are, and the enthusiasm is there, and also His Excellency is also very much expectant. I think the Yuletide, the holidays, have been technically delaying this takeoff. And because there are also new equipment we want to acquire, I mean, new teaching equipment that we want to acquire, and also because of your share number, the 40,000 that we're admitting into this cohort. We also need to expand the teaching facilities, and also the existing ones we need to ensure that they are fit for purpose, to make sure we deploy a quality training for our people. So all these we have been doing, some back end work, some administrative works we have been doing. So that's even the holiday, we were still working during the holidays, to make sure that at the beginning of this new year, which we are set right now, we'll be able to start as soon as possible. Um, we will be starting very soon. This morning, I had another discussion with His Excellency, and he asked me simply, when are we starting? And I told him that as soon as possible, because there are some few approvals we need to get certain things done, which he needs to give to us. And then he said he's going to go do that immediately he comes back. So, I'm sure maybe by third week of this month, the classes will be starting. All things being equal, all things being equal. If all the equipment we intend to acquire are supplied and installed, all things being equal, by third week of January, I'm sure we will be starting class. All things being equal. The other one is, so if you are in cohort 3 and you are already been admitted, please start getting ready. You will be seeing a lot of information regarding the class commencement. The timetable will be published very soon, before that third week. And those who are in different learning centers, maybe Futo, IMSU, wherever learning center you are, I'm sure that you know where you are. The other one is um, just to also let you people know, especially those in cohort 3, those in cohort 2, and those in cohort 3. His Excellency's second term inauguration will be taking place on Monday, 15th of January. And we have received a Skill Up community an invitation just for a certain number of us, because there are too many people coming from different sectors and also from different parts of the country. But His Excellency said uh, he wants to see his digital youth and the skill up community, but not everybody, a sizable number. So we are still working it out. And then the modalities, the takeoff point, the buses that will carry the skill up people, where the buses will be, and what are our takeoff points, and where we will be seated. All those things, I happen to be in the committee. We are trying to flesh out all those details. So I think by tomorrow I will also be providing information. So we will see how. I would want mainly cohort 2 or 3, especially cohort 3, because it's an opportunity for you to also witness some of these events. If you have opportunity, what the participation entails, because they are going to provide logistics for all those that will be participating. So, but like I said, it's not for everybody. I don't know yet the number they have given to us. If they said skillupimo community 500 people, 1,000, 2,000. Once they take that decision, I will let you know. And the way we will select those that will come for the program, and you know, I will make it public. And if you are selected to participate, we will also contact you and tell you where to come. Where we in charge of mobilization will also release logistics, your transportation, your feeding. They will give you the money. So this is not any other thing you're coming, just like that. There is logistics being budgeted to be given for those who will participate in that inauguration. So the Skill Up Imo community turned up to us. We are well recognized, and His Excellency has given us a slot to be part of that inauguration. So thank you to all of you. And I think these are the few information I have now. I will recap by reiterating the key issues I've raised. One is those with bad laptop, faulty laptops, so to speak. From Tuesday next week, bring your laptop, your HP laptop to the ministry. The HP technicians and Zynox engineers, they will be here to fix all the issues that your laptop has. Please, they will stay here for 3 days just to attend to all 40 laptops, that was given to you. Please make sure that on Tuesday, after His Excellency's second term inauguration on Monday, on Tuesday, come with your laptop to the ministry so that the engineers will attend to you. The other information I mentioned is regarding the commencements of cohort 3, the expectant cohort. And I have said that all things being equal, by the third week of January, classes will commence across all the learning centers. Why we have not started? Because of the holidays, because of the election, because of so many other things. And immediately after the inauguration on Monday 15th, the third week in January, we will be starting and commencing our classes. That is the mandate His Excellency has given me by the grace of God. And the final information I gave was regarding Monday's inauguration. His Excellency has given a certain slot for Skill Up Imo community. Well, this slot can't accommodate each and every one of us. But any of you who wants to be at that inauguration, please, you can send your I want to be there on the Skill Up Emo page or on my page, so that my staff, they will be able to assume your name and your contact and then put you on the list. If they said it's only 500 they want, then you'll be among the 500. If they say it's 1,000, you'll be among the 1,000. So voluntary indication. And I said um, the committee is already providing logistics for those who will come. There'll be a bus. We'll, most likely, we will station a bus at the ministry that Monday morning. So everybody come very early Monday morning, join the bus. The bus will carry us from the ministry to the stadium, which is at the event, the venue of the event. And our allocation has been given, everything is there. So just put, I want to be there. I want to be at the inauguration. If I get first come, first serve basis, that is the list I am going, depending on the number they gave Skill Up Imo. Please, once you indicate, our people will start contacting you, and then we will, please put your number. I'm happy some people already putting I want to be there. Put your phone number if possible, so that we can contact you and then make sure that you are among those that we're going to choose for the event. It's going to be a happy day in that arena. First class and A class musicians will be invited to be in that program. Who is who in Igbo land? All company captains of industry, a lot of people, because it's a joyous moment in Imo State, that we have a digital governor re-elected by the totality of Imo people. So it's going to be a great day of celebration for the Skill Up Imo community and all the other groups in Imo State. So it is something we should be looking forward to. It's something that in our own lifetime we are seeing a good leadership that is people focused, that is youth focused, being inaugurated for Imo State. Is for the benefit of each and every one of us. So, as many that want to be there, I will fight hard to see that a sizable allocation is given to Skill Up Imo community. But it depends. It all depends on the committee to rationalize, because everybody wants to come for the program. But the governor said, I want you people to allocate a space for the Skill Up Imo community because I want them. So please,